On how to access a Shopify store with a Collaborator code, voiceover script. Welcome back to How to Mastery. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to access a Shopify store using a Collaborator code. First, let's understand what a Collaborator code is. A Collaborator code is a 4-digit code that a store owner can set up in their Shopify admin. It's designed to make sure only trusted partners can request access to their store. To begin, the store owner needs to share their store URL with you along with the 4-digit Collaborator code. Without this code, your access request won't go through. Now, as a collaborator, you'll need to log in to your Shopify partner account. Once inside the partner dashboard, go to the Stores section and click on Add Store. From there, choose Request Access to a Store. Enter the store's URL in the given field. If the store requires a Collaborator code, type in the 4-digit code you received from the store owner. Next, you'll need to select the permissions you're requesting. For example, you might only need access to orders, products, or apps. If you need full access, you can request that too. You can also leave a short note for the store owner explaining why you're requesting access. Once everything looks good, click on Request Access. The store owner will then receive a notification in their Shopify admin, as well as an email. They'll review your request, adjust permissions if necessary, and then approve it. After the store owner approves your request, you'll see the store appear in your partner dashboard under Stores. From there, you can log in and start working inside the store with the permissions you've been granted. And that's it. That's how you access a Shopify store using a Collaborator code, step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to How to Mastery, and share this tutorial with others. Thanks